Okay, follow along as we do today's dictation. Today we're working on the digraph PH, which makes the f sound. The first word we have, look, has a magic E. The word is face. F-A-S, phase. F-A-S, phase. We know that the A makes a long A sound here, so we need a magic E. The word is phase. Number 2 is the word phobic. Phobic. F-O. Pho. B-I-C. B-I-C. Phobic. Okay, this is an open syllable. And then over here we have a closed syllable. Number 3 is prophet. Prophet. Prof. Et. Prof. 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 Here we have a closed syllable. Et. Et. Closed syllable. Prophet. Number 4. Digraph. Digraph. D-I. D-I. Here we see the long I at the end of the syllable, so it's an open syllable. Graph. Graph. Digraph. Here we see a closed syllable. The word is digraph. PH is a digraph. And the last word we have today is mandate. Mandate. M-A-N. M-A-N. Man. So that's a closed syllable. D-8. D-8. Mandate. So here we see a magic E syllable type. Long A, magic E. The word is mandate. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Ready? Phase, phobic, prophet, digraph, mandate.